So far this year, the police have had to deliver the horrific news to 6 families in the ACT. Any death on our roads is one too many, and I'm just asking people to consider who you want to meet. If you continue to engage in some of this activity and travel at high speed, there is a good chance that you will meet one of the 5 of us, and that is obviously the police who attend the collision scenes and have to investigate horrific scenes. You have the fire brigade who cut the people out of the vehicles. You have the ambulance officers that have to treat people in very difficult circumstances. Then you have the trauma surgeons and the hospital staff that have to deal with the victims of these collisions. And then in the worst case scenario, you have the funeral service that come and collect the bodies.
Each year we know we will see patients because of speeding. You might not lose your life, but you may have to have a loved one care for you forever. And that's life-changing. That's equally as devastating.
It's gut-wrenching. And to see the anguish that these people have had thrust upon them because of something that could have very, very easily been avoided.
The message is, and the campaign that we're putting out this year, is who are you rushing to meet? And we're asking everybody to consider that and reflect on that before they get into their vehicles.